Hey guys, how's it going? How to get paid through Zelle. So, to get paid through Zelle, share info, provide your email or phone number associated with Zelle to be the payer. Receive payment, the payer sends money using your email or phone number, and then the funds will be automatically deposited into your linked bank account. You will receive a notification when the payment is complete. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.